The head of Public Service Directive on gathering is causing ripples among the political class, with some applauding it and others casting a dark shadow over the directive. The group is now calling on establishment of legal framework to set in place political timelines in which campaigns should start to curb further polarization of the country.
Any activity outside this framework should be discontinued and action taken on the violators. We have a very clear campaign period. So if you're talking about, of course, there's a way that politicians have been camouflaging this in terms of development activities or meet the people tours, but we can clearly see that what is going on, and you'll hear them at every instance speaking about even the phrase 2022 election is being used nearly in all those meetings.
There are perceptions that the police seems to be biased, and that affects the whole process throughout the cycle in terms of a free, fair and credible process where everybody has equal opportunity.
ILOG is further calling on the political elite to practice tolerance in their utterances in their daily engagement and further urged law enforcers to ensure the country does not slide into anarchy.
There is a responsibility by the police and by those responsible, the Ministry of Interior, to ensure that from the public perception we can see that the field is free and fair for everybody to participate equally, and that rights are not infringed on, and that the police are there to protect each and every one of us in an equal and fair manner.
This comes even as the Law Society of Kenya has gone ahead and filed a petition challenging the new security measures issued by the National Security Advisory Council that has since undergone a cabinet approval.
As we speak, this is the suit is finalized. We're not doing anything clandestine. Let the public know. Let the investigative and the espionage organs of the Republic of Kenya know that we are law-abiding people and there is nothing clandestine.
In the petition seen by K24, LSK names the Attorney General and Inspector of Police as respondents and as such want conservatory orders that will restrain the Inspector General of Police Hilary Mutyambai from acting by himself or agents under his command from seeking to license or holding of public gatherings, meetings and processions, banning, disrupting or interfering with peaceful public gathering, meetings and processions.
But more importantly, it must be understood that Section 2 of the Public Order Act excludes certain meetings from the operation of Section 5. And these meetings are called excluded meetings. And one of the excluded meetings are impromptu meet the people tours by members of parliament and councillors.
The lawyers' body further argue that the enforcement and implementation of the directives issued by the Security Council would in turn violate the rights and freedoms enshrined in the Constitution.
You are allowing another gathering of even greater multitude of individuals to congregate in Bondo for the purposes of installing Raila Amolo Odinga as the successor to President Uhuru Kenyatta. Look, if anybody sees a problem with what we are saying, then that person is indeed the problem.
This comes even as a cross-section of the politicians seem to allude that the new rules are set to inhibit their movement and curtail their influence. Martin Opio, K24.